Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at fractions of fractions. Okay, so we've gone from fractions of wholes to now fractions of fractions. Alright, the first question is, or what we've got is, try working out 2/3 of 4/5. This time use a rectangle and divide the rectangle vertically. So in this square here, we're going to show 2/3. Okay, and I might use a straighter line to divide this into 2/3 as best I can and show 2/3. Actually, I think in class we did it the other way around. We did it this way. So 2/3 okay, and then we're going to shade 2/3 of them. Okay, so we're shading 2/3. Trying to make it a bit neater. Right, now the question is, now we know what 2/3 looks like, but the question is to find 2/3 of 4/5. So we need to know, well, what does 4/5 look like? So we might actually do those ones this way, and we're going to cut this one into fifths and shade 4/5. Oh, they're not very even. I'll try and make it more like fifths. Okay, so that's kind of fifths, but you can see we've got 5 parts, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to use a different colour here, pink, to shade 4/5 in. So here's my fifths, and I'm just going to shade 4/5 of that shape. Okay. Now, if I have to find 2/3 of the 4/5 here, what I'm doing is really taking, I'll do it a bit better, taking this shape here and putting it over this shape here. I'm taking 2/5, okay, 2/5 was this amount of my, sorry, 2/3, my bad, 2/3 of the 4/5 that are there. And what you can see is this red area. This new colour shows the actual answer. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as my numerator. We'll put our answer here. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 2/3 of 4/5 of a whole is 8/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. 1/15. I'm going to write 2/3 up the top here because this really shows along here I've got 2 out of 3. And then with red I'm going to show, where's my red pen gone there? 4/5. Okay? Now I've got my 2 as my numerator, 2/3, multiplied by my 4/5. And we can see that when we're working this out using multiplication, we're actually using times again. 2/3 of 4/5 is really 2/3 times 4/5. And to get it, I'm actually timesing my numerators together to get the total numerator. So 2 times 4 gave me 8. And then I was timesing my denominators together to get my denominator. Sorry, so that was my numerator. So timesing my denominators, my thirds by my fifths to get 15ths. So 2 times 4, the green part, green, gave me 8 as my answer, and thirds times fifths gave me 15ths as my answer. Okay, so whenever we're doing multiplication, we can simply say, as a bit of a thought, is that we're multiplying the numerators, and then we're multiplying the denominators, which is the numbers on the bottom, and then we need to simplify if necessary. If 8/15 is the lowest it can go, then we leave it as that. Okay, let's just look at another one. Say we had to find 4/7 of 2/3. Well, we know of means times, so we're going to have 4/7 times 2/3. And we're simply going to multiply our numerators together. 4 times 2 is 8, and multiply our denominators together. 7 times 3 is 21. Can we simplify further? 8/21? No. Okay. What about this one here? You have a go at this one. Stop the video here and have a go. Okay, so we know that 3/4 of 9/12 is the same as 3/4 times 9/12. We multiply our numerators together. 3 times 9, which is 27, and 4 times 12. 4 12s are 48. Can we simplify further? 3 can't go into 27 or 48. 4 can't go into it. 5 can't go into it. 6 can't go into it. So 27/48 is our answer. And that's multiplying fractions.